All right, y'all. Happy, y'all see my baby girl back there. Y'all see baby girl back there? But happy, it is Sunday, the 24th, and I'm bringing y'all along for a nature vlog, okay? It's currently 5:30, and we have some snacks right here. I'm gonna take y'all on a little excursion adventure, okay? There's not too many people here, which I absolutely love. And we're gonna turn this around, we're gonna get started. So right here, guys, they're gonna be building a place where you can rent canoes, so you can canoe in the water. And hey y'all, I got my rain boots on today, hooray, right? So here is water, and this pond is getting rebuilt, as you can see. If you guys see here, we have some ducks swimming in the pond. Ain't that beautiful? All right, let's keep going. And yeah, I'm gonna take y'all down here a little bit so y'all can see. I come here to walk sometimes, but they're working on stuff. So I'm gonna walk on this part that I seen with you guys because it's gonna be new to me, and I wanted to bring you guys along. So let's keep going. So guys, this is why I needed my boots on, okay? Look at that. We're getting ready to go over this new built bridge, y'all. Look at all them rocks. Everything is just so nice. Look at this. I like. It's so nice, y'all. Y'all get to go along the bridge with me. It smells so good. The pine, it smells so freaking good. So let's go, y'all. Let's go. We're almost at the end. We're almost at the end. And then we're going to go to another part that I think is simply amazing. So, like I said, the boots are needed because I'm soaking in the mud. And then here we go. So guys, that's where I came from. Look at the rocks and everything. All right, let's keep it going, y'all. Ooh, let's keep it going. All right, y'all, here is another built excursion bridge. Really, really nice. Overlooking water. Sun is bright. Sunny. It's sunning, y'all. I think I told y'all the temperature is 53 degrees. No, it's 46 degrees. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. I get so excited. Hold on. I get so excited that I forget. So this is a nice little path that I'm on. You guys see? And I'm gonna sit down here. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like though. And then we're gonna sit down here. I'm gonna have me a little bit of snack. And yeah, y'all look at this. And they're not even finished. They claim they're not done with everything. But look how beautiful that is. Are y'all enjoying this? Look at that. It goes all the way down there. Beautiful. I just love how they did this. You guys know I am a fanatic of rocks. I love rocks. Look at that. Look at the sculptures that they did right here. And now it's down there. So guys, y'all want to have a snack with me? We're going to sit down and have a snack for a minute. And I'm going to enjoy this moment with some birds and stuff. And you guys are going to enjoy that with me. Let me know. Do you like this kind of content? Consider subscribing because we're going to have a lot more. Let me show y'all real quick where if you look down here where you see the tape, all this is going to go all the way back. You see that tape down there? Right there. All this is going there. Yep. So continue to hang out because she's about to sit down and have some snacks. Okay? Guys, get out in nature. Okay? The squirrels and birds like chewing on nuts. It's just me and nature out here, y'all. This is beautiful. Nothing, it doesn't cost nothing, it's free. Now for you ladies, don't come out here without your, gotta have something for protection. You got him, but you still need something else, okay? Hey guys, if you like what you see and you see what you like, consider subscribing. Guys, enjoy the rest of these vlogs because they are going to be coming at you real soon. Have a good day.